Want a quick snapshot of your devices? XClarity One summaries are like the highlight reel of your tech, giving you all the important information at a glance. Let's check out how it works and keep your devices in top shape.
Now that we have managed devices in XClarity One, let's explore the available information. First, navigate to the Device Management page to view a summary of the managed devices. Here, you can quickly see how many devices are healthy, in a warning state, or in a critical health state. By long pressing on the title Managed Devices, you can activate new summaries about firmware and vulnerabilities. This will allow you to see how many devices require critical updates or are not compliant with the assigned firmware templates, which we will cover in the next video. The Vulnerabilities summary will immediately show which devices have critical or lower vulnerabilities or exposures. Next, click on the Managed Devices title. The new page will display the list of managed devices, and the left side in context navigation allows you to see different details about which hubs are managing the devices, the firmware status of your devices, vulnerabilities details, or the warranty status. In the next video, we'll take a look at the device page,